In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Tag to a GoDaddy website. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account and going to the My Products page. From there, find the website you want to update. Once you locate it, click Edit Website or Manage to open your GoDaddy website builder. After the website editor loads, go to the menu and click Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for the section labeled Google Analytics, Tracking and Analytics, or another tracking option, depending on the version of the builder you are using. Open that section so you can access the field where tracking information is added. Next, open your Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager account in a separate browser tab. In your Google account, locate the tracking information for the site you want to connect. This may be your Google Tag, your measurement ID, or your Google Tag Manager container ID. Copy the correct value carefully so it is ready to paste into GoDaddy. Now go back to the GoDaddy Website Builder tab. In the Tracking section, find the field where you can enter your Google Tag, Google Analytics ID, or Google Tag Manager code. Paste the tracking value into the appropriate field. Take a moment to review what you entered and make sure everything is correct. It is important that the tag or ID is pasted exactly as provided in your Google account. Once you confirm that the information looks correct, click Save to apply the tracking settings to your website. Saving stores the configuration inside the website builder, but the changes still need to be published before they appear on the live site. After saving, click Publish. Wait for GoDaddy to finish publishing the website. When the update is complete, open your live website if needed, and then return to your Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager account to confirm the connection. At this point, you can check whether data is being received. In Google Analytics, you may be able to verify traffic through real-time reporting or other status indicators. In Google Tag Manager, you can review the container status or use your available testing tools to make sure the tag is active on the site. If the connection does not appear right away, give it a little time, since some tracking data can take a short while to appear after publishing. Once the connection is confirmed, your GoDaddy website is set up with your Google tracking tag. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.